Hi, my name is Carlo Papera, Product Manager handling washing in IMA Active. The combination of IMA Active's technological expertise and knowledge of the pharmaceutical and nutraceutical industry has resulted in a new component washer, AQUARIA. AQUARIA joins with full merit the family of washing cabins offered by IMA Active, which already includes the following models: Atlantis washer to clean headers, IBCs, also in high containment, or machine parts, drums, flexible hoses, etc., by means of mobile racks. Atlantis is available in different models, which include rotating platform and air jet stream. Venus part washers with basket rotating platform as a standard feature and air jet stream. Hydrowash F-skid for cleaning a wide variety of IMA equipment, such as granulators, tablet presses, capsule filling machines, and coating machines. AQUARIA is the result of the experience gained by IMA Active on Atlantis and Venus models, with the aim of designing a new machine to meet changing market requirements, ensure great efficiency, redefine the meaning of flexibility with a compact design which ensures a minimum footprint in the process area. Improve cleaning performance, minimizing water and detergent consumption, with high performance, even with shorter cycle time. Adopt the latest generation of IMA supervision system with operator panel on iFix SCADA. Optimize installation and maintenance operation, and respect for the environmental. All this was possible thanks to the great cooperation of IMA's technical departments, working as a team, including the mechanical, electrical department, the laboratory, the production, assembling and marketing department, all involved in the design of the new AQUARIA, promoting and creating a living habitat that always put people at the center. A great contribution to develop the new AQUARIA was also received from our customers by sharing with IMA their main requirements, such as improving their existing washing processes, automating the washing of machine parts never considered before, implementing additional controls on the washing processes, and improving the ergonomics of the machine. It is my pleasure to introduce Gergi Darajati from the Department of the Mechanical Engineering at IMA to talk about the main technical feature of AQUARIA.
Thanks, Carlo. Hi, my name is Gergi Darajati and I'm a mechanical engineer at IMA Active. The AQUARIA washing machine was conceived as a modern approach to GMP pharmaceutical component cleaning. Several aspects were considered as drivers in its design, such as hygienic design, essential working principles, opportune materials, and flexible by design. Internal cabin surfaces and sloping piping allow for gravity drainage. In addition, drainage is aided by the use of purified compressed air within the washing lines. Rounded concave angles in the cabin contribute to high levels of hygiene. The basic washing function is attained by two rotating arms placed above and below the volume left free for the components to be cleaned. The arms rotate as the pumps feed them with the water-based washing liquid. Holes are drilled into the arms to generate opportune jets of liquid that impact over the surfaces of the components. AQUARIA can operate either in once-through mode or in recirculation mode. The once-through mode is invaluable for washing hugely soiled components and achieves shorter cycle times. The recirculation mode allows an economic operation and greener washing cycles by dissipating less heat and by using less water and chemicals. An hydrokinetic spraying head can be added onto the ceiling. This item extends the spray coverage, especially on the internal surfaces of the washing cabin, which need to be cleaned as well. In addition, it can be connected to any configuration of washing rack or basket with integrated nozzles provided on board of the rack basket itself. Drying is an equally important part of every critical cleaning process. AQUARIA is provided with an air heating unit set on a flow rate which is a compromise between rapid cycle time and affordable run. The heated air is filtered before entering the cabin and enveloping the components. For the demanding cases, the air jet stream system can be added. This system consists in a rotating air knife mounted on the ceiling capable of accelerating high-speed recirculated air over the components. Albeit with a somewhat different design, the air jet stream system is available also on our Atlantis and Venus washing machines. IZ316L stainless steel is the most abundant material in contact with the fluids and the components. FDA-approved engineering plastics and elastomers make the rest of the critical materials. AQUARIA comes out with all-glass hinge doors. A seal with a special profile ensures fluid containment. The skid that handles all the liquids and the air heating units is placed on the side of the washing cabin, but can be remoted in a nearby higher area if facility conveniences are in place. By doing so, AQUARIA becomes really compact and requires the smallest possible footprint in the washing area. Conversely, it is possible to integrate on board the electrical power cabinet. Thus, every item is concentrated in one place for easier maintenance. A simple stainless steel basket on wheels can be provided to hold in place easy-to-clean components. Generic rotating nozzles can be added on the basket to increase the action of the two rotating arms. Also, a list of racks and supports is already available to provide automatic cleaning of components from our range of IMA encapsulating and tablet press machines. At last, special racks or baskets can be designed to allow the customer to clean any component that can be washed automatically. Now it's my pleasure to introduce Alessia Tagliapietra from the Department of Electrical Engineering to talk about software and hardware features of AQUARIA.
Thanks, Giorgi, for your introduction. Hi, my name is Alessia Tagliapietra, and I'm an automation engineer in IMA Active. I'm here to talk to you about automation and more besides. Holistic automation design leads to an easy-to-use, modern and flexible system that guarantees quality and efficiency. AQUARIA adopts the Cortex Max system to control all the machine and all the tasks. Max is the graphic layer aiming at maximum usability. Cortex is the brain. Everything is fully automated to ensure the reliability of operations. The system allows for fully customizable strategies. You can define cleaning programs that range from the simplest and fastest to the most accurate and sophisticated. The entire process is monitored to maximize the machine functionality, improve efficiency, and detect critical issues. Automatic cleaning and drying are phase-based. Each phase can be simply and freely adjusted, defining operation, washing fluids, detergents, and cleaning points. Washing efficiency is automatically detected by checks that ensure the expected performance. This avoids unnecessary waste of time and water once the end conditions are met. The holistic design of the system allows for optimal and environmentally friendly adaptation to different operations. AQUARIA is a really quick return on investment. The HMI is a strategic element in the overall design of a product, and it is even more crucial today with the increase in machine technology and flexibility. It is the connection point between the operators and the machine. AQUARIA guides and helps users perform various tasks using clear directions and interactive wizards. The system makes each activity easy by presenting all and only the relevant information for the specific use. For example, while very flexible, the recipe is easy to prepare and understand. Operators are focused on crucial and strategic information, shown clearly and intuitively, without being overwhelmed by unwanted data. The usability of the machine requires a minimum learning effort. Training a new operator is easy, facilitating the achievement of maximum productivity. The result is an HMI that truly meets the operator's needs. It means the right information at the right time and for the right purpose. The modern automation of AQUARIA is scalable by design. A basic solution offers immediate and cost-effective control. An advanced version adds even more complete data management. This fully complies with Pharma 4.0 and regulated production environment, where connectivity, data integrity, and 21 CFR Part 11 are mandatory. All information is collected in a comprehensive electronic batch report. You can use optionally customizable templates that highlight important data with the optimal content for the specific use. In addition, remote assistance enables detailed diagnostic of each individual device and rapid troubleshooting. External data connections are essential. The concept of connectivity goes beyond the simple Ethernet port. We are fully aware of cybersecurity risks. For this reason, the connection strategies meet the tight security requirements of industrial communication networks. We have even performed penetration tests to ensure the best protection against cyber attacks. Data are exposed using widely adopted communication standards, such as OPC UA, and aggregated in the PAC-ML scheme to make them easy to understand. All this means that a fully digital machine makes production more efficient and simplifies management and operations. The technology must promote simplicity over complexity. The AQUARIA control platform is ready to face today's control, connectivity, and usability demands, and to seize future opportunities. I have the pleasure of introducing Samuele Capomasi of the IMA laboratory to illustrate AQUARIA's approach to cleaning design and the full support we can offer our customers in finding the best solution for their cleaning process.
Thank you, Alessia, for your introduction. Hi all, my name is Samuele Capomasi and I'm a process laboratory technologist at IMA Active. Cleaning of process equipment is required in pharmaceutical and nutraceutical and food industry. Only in recent years, the efficiency of cleaning processes has become more and more important, also due to increasing economic and ecological demands. Pharmaceutical industries pay particular attention to validation procedures, as it ensures the quality, the efficacy, and the safety of the subsequent drug batches by preventing cross-contamination issues. Good cleaning design starts with the choice of the most suitable TACT parameter to achieve an effective cleaning process. TACT is an acronym and stands for Time of All Washing Cycles. Agitation, and in this case is understood as the flow of the cleaning fluid, mainly water. Chemistry of detergent used, since it can be acidic, neutral, or basic. And temperature. All of these are important, and how they are combined is decisive in reaching an optimal cleaning efficiency. Thanks to the optimization of key parameters, it is possible to enhance process efficiency without affecting the end results. IMA experts can provide full support to find the best cleaning process solution to meet customer requests by always keeping the focus on machine efficiency. A strategy to reduce dirt on the equipment can also make a real difference. When we think about reducing footprint as much as possible, It's not only a matter of process efficiency, but also about the optimization of the chemical used. AQUARIA, like all IMA washing machines, such as Atlantis and Venus, can be equipped with up to 3 detergent doses with automatic regulation in order to avoid any waste. This ensures maximum flexibility in terms of process performance, including time and final results. IMA is deeply concerned about sustainability, and AQUARIA is the product of all our experience in washing equipment. Of course, water is one of the main issues when talking about cleaning. AQUARIA is also capable of working in recirculation mode. This allows consumption savings and reduces the disposal of dirty water at the end of the washing cycle. All this while granting optimal equipment performance. It is clear that all this results in reducing manufacturing costs for companies and more environmental sustainability. Full automation combined with the washing efficiency of AQUARIA ensures high performance even with shorter cycle time. Maximum flexibility in washing recipe allows all customer requests to be met, even combining recirculation and once-through cycle. In this way, it is possible to create different recipes based on product characteristics. The automation system continuously controls and verifies all the process parameters, and through the HMI, it is possible to have all under control. At the end of the process, a final assessment of cleaning performance is done automatically in order to check if the validated requirements are met. We know that minimizing equipment downtime is a key factor for our customers. That's why we are constantly working to fine-tune the washing process. An optimized process can reduce cleaning time, and this means extra time for production. Now, Carlo, I'll give the floor back to you.
Thank you, Gergi, Alessia, and Samuele. And now our speakers are available to answer your questions through the chat. And if you want to meet us and see AQUARIA, visit our booth at Interpack in Hall 17. Bye.